Hey, Skyler here from the men's Change You Can Wear, and right now I'm at Don Eling's house at the unofficial 4th annual coin ring convention. This year it's called Don's Picnic, right? Yeah, okay, good. Nick from Badlands Coin Ring started a coin ring competition on Instagram, and so that's what we have before us today, and we have all these judges back here ready to get started. The rules of the contest are: Rule number 1, create 2 identical quarter rings. Second rule is you can use any tools available to you. Judges are grading on 5 categories with a score of 0 to 5 possible for each category. Category 1, size consistency. Category 2, details, preserving original coin details with lack of tooling marks. Third category is overall shape. 4, quality of finish. And finally, category 5, overall look. And when the contest is finished, all the rings are going to be put on eBay and sold to benefit Destiny Rescue. You can take a look in the link in the description box below to check out the rings for sale, and then also a link for Destiny Rescue. Once all the judges have graded their categories, we're going to add up all of the points for a total score, and that will decide our winner. And our celebrity judges today are going to be
Mike Beauclair,
Patrick Nesbitt, thecoinringstore.com,
Don Eling's Designs,
Josh with Josh's Coin Rings, we found on Etsy and whatnot.
John May with Dragon's Fire Creations.
Blaine Mayo.
Jason Stinchfield, Jason's Works.
Skyler Jenkins from the Mint Change You Can Wear.
Now to meet our contestants for our first ever coin ring contest. They're competing to win a $100 gift card from Jason's Works. Jeff Ferguson with Coin Rings by MJ. Eric Eason with Mint Condition Coin Ring Crafters. Rob Butcher with RL Coin Rings. Taylor Middleton with Rings by Bold City Photo. Nick McLean with Badlands Coin Rings. Don Jones with Gunmetal and Grit Coinworks. And Brighton Hood with Be The Change Bands. Alright, time to start scoring these rings and getting a winner picked.
The Canadian one's really good.
Pattern that came through.
Yeah, really good details. They really cleaned up the Gina nice. No,
The inside didn't, you know, but
Well, but the
their style,
inside's clean.
Here's the other thing, right?
This is what I paid for another $20.
Perfect.
But like he said, then ask me or tell me and say.
This one on the end, it has like, you have a little bit slight chatter marks from deburring, you can tell.
Yeah, that's the biggest. Yeah.
But other than that, the details look fantastic.
I look at like where they laser engraved the coin. They took out the entire details and he marked that as a not good. Because they removed the details.
Right.
But I'm like, well, what was their point of removing the details? Maybe they started with a coin that had a bad flaw, and they used that to their advantage. I'm not wearing it to see the inside of the ring. And it's a beautiful engraving on the inside of the ring. So my scoring on that is a difference. So he and I have a different kind of opinion on how we do that.
For me, since I'm so jealous of it, details, 5.
Now, one thing I'm seeing with all of them is happy customers, which is most important.
Yes,
You know,
that's
I wouldn't
absolutely
see any
true.
customer being like, oh my god.
No.
This guy here,
This other one go. Oh, you got it.
he polished the inside really well. The cut edge is beautiful. There's no cheddar marks. And he picked a really hard coin to bring in.
Yeah, see, that's another thing. You give them extra credit
It's a
because
wider
you know the coin was hard,
and a wide
or do you
band,
not?
so this was a smaller punch.
That's the hardest one to make out.
Even if there's a little bit of a wobble in this one, I'm still going to score it really high just because that's a hard one to attack. After all the numbers have been tallied, we have our winner. Coming in 7th place, Gunmetal and Grit with a final score of 129 points. Coming in 6th place is Coins by MJ with a total score of 130 points. In 5th place, Mint Condition Coin Rings with a score of 141 points. In 4th place, RL Coin Rings with a total score of 154 points. And in 3rd place, Be The Change Bands at 155 points. And in 2nd place, Rings by Bold City with a total score of 169 points. And our winner, Badlands Coin Rings with a total score of 171 points. I just want to say thanks to all the people who entered this contest and to all the judges who judged it. And also a special thanks to Nick for setting this whole thing up. If you guys want to start another one of these contests, I'm going to leave Nick's Instagram information in the description box below. And remember, check out my rings at changeyoucanwear.net. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel to be in on all the new videos that are coming out. Alright guys, till next time, thanks for watching.